not welcome, but hi, welcome to my channel, Yana Moonlight. In today's video, I will be doing a Bay Avenue morning routine, and this video is kind of short, so I still hope you enjoy. Like and comment and subscribe so I can keep posting more videos. So yeah, let's get into this video. Night close time. All done. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Now I'm just gonna go make me some food. Okay guys, I'm already eating. Now I'm gonna go to bed. I had a long day at work, and I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to know if I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!